Welcome to Thursday of week 4. So today we have Khow Suey, which is a Burmese dish. There are two portions to this. One is the soup. You have eaten pho. It's similar to that. Pho is a Vietnamese dish which has a soup and then you have some garnishes. This is Burmese. So it is a little different. It's based on a curry, but we have garnishes that go on top of the soup. So for the soup, it's a chicken soup. We have some chicken which we have been marinating in some turmeric powder and some salt, pepper, a little bit of garlic and ginger. So I have been marinating that for about an hour or so. And then we will need a couple of tins of coconut milk, some cumin seeds, more garlic, ginger. These are curry leaves. These are some lemon leaves, some red peppers, dried. And then we have some green onions and some garlic. So the garlic and green onions we'll fry them separately. But what we will do is we'll use these fried garlic as a garnish as well. The oil will have a garlic and green onion flavor that will cook the rest of the dish in. And then we'll finish it off with some lemon. Now, one of the things is I want to see how much liquid there is. If we need a little bit more liquid, then we can always add some chicken stock. Again, this is not part of the recipe, but if you need something, then please go ahead and add it. You might have seen me using a recipe like I have today, right? And the reason for that is so that I can be prepared, but also I want to make sure that I'm following all the steps. Again, it's not necessary to follow exactly how it states. It is more important to remember the steps. So that's why I always follow or write a recipe before starting. Let's go to all the garnishes that I have today that we'll be using. So I have some noodles here. I have used spaghetti. You can use Chinese noodle as well. In spaghetti, generally speaking, we don't put oil, right? Because you want the sauce to adhere to the pasta. In this instance though, I have used a little bit of olive oil after I have cooked it. Then I have some eggs. And then these are bamboo shoots that is boiled. Some coriander leaves. Then we have some baby corns that are boiled again. These are green onions. I have this bowl for when I fried my garlic chips, and I'll put it here. So I have 2 bowls of onions. So these are shallots, sorry. So this one I'm going to fry. So this is going to be crispy, and this one I'm going to leave as leave as is. So it gives a different flavor. These are red chilies. These are radishes, very thinly sliced, and then we have some additional lemon or lime here in this case, if somebody wants to put it in. So when we come back, when we cook the chicken and we come back, we'll show you how to put the dish together. So with soup, if you want the noodles, if you don't want the noodles, and then all the garnishes. So let's start cooking. Put some oil and then I'll fry the garlic on this in the hot oil till it's brown. These are fried now, so I'll just take them out and drain it on a paper towel. These fried garlic chips are really good to eat, so try them sometimes. You can put it on, on top of your chicken if you're cooking, on top of your fish. You can certainly use it for your garnishing your pasta. I mean, it certainly gives a beautiful smell, and it's always good for you. So at this point I want to fry the green onions. So this will again give a beautiful flavor to the sauce. So at this, you want to lower the heat when you fry this. So it takes a little bit of time. But again, you want to fry this till it's golden. This is done now. So I'll be taking this out. Make sure that you drain the oil. Start by putting the cumin seeds. And then the red chilies, the curry leaves, and the lemon leaves. At this point, we'll add the garlic and the ginger. Now we'll put the chicken in. You don't need to fry it for too long, just make sure that all the masalas that we put in are incorporated into the chicken. And then we'll add the coconut milk, the 2 cans of coconut milk. Add salt to taste. Then let it come to a boil, and then we'll adjust the sauce. If we need a little bit of thinner, then we'll adjust it at the end. You can see this is thick, so I'll add a little bit of chicken stock to this. It needs a little bit of salt, and then we'll put the lime in. The chicken is not cooked, maybe just a little bit more. So let me put the chicken stock in and a little bit of salt. Maybe a cup or so here. Again, the liquid, how much you want to put in is up to you. If you want a thicker sauce, then you can keep it thicker. But let's put in a little bit of salt. Again, I use kosher salt, so if you are using table salt, make sure that you don't put too much, because kosher salt is much The grains are much larger than table salt. This is done. The chicken is fully cooked. So we'll put half a lime in here. We'll just squeeze it on top. Let's taste it one more time. Yes, this is perfect. This is done. So we'll close it, and then we'll show you how we serve it. Khow Suey is ready. So the way that diners can eat it is if they want a little bit of pasta. So you want to put the pasta down at the bottom of the bowl. So again, this is self-serve. So as much as you want, right? And then we want some sauce in there. And then the garnishes, right? So we put some garnishes in here. We forgot to fry the onions. We'll skip it. And then, if you want some eggs, you put in some eggs, some cilantro, some green onions, and then some lemon, or this is lime, sorry. We put some garlic chips in here, so these are crispy. This is how we serve it. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and comment and share my videos. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bon appetit. All right.